Want to increase your YouTube viewers? Here are some tips to help you grow your audience and get more views on your videos. 1. Create engaging and high-quality content. 1. Show footage of someone filming a video with a professional camera and editing it on a computer. 2. Narrator. Make sure your videos are well-produced and engaging. 2. High-quality content is more likely to be shared and attract new viewers. 1. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. 1. Show footage of someone typing keywords into the title and description of a YouTube video. 2. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to make it easier for people to find your videos when searching for related content. 1. Promote your videos on social media. 1. Show footage of someone sharing a video on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. 2. Promote your videos on social media to reach a larger audience and drive traffic to your YouTube channel. 1. Collaborate with other YouTubers. 1. Show footage of two YouTubers filming a video together. Collaborating with other YouTubers can help you reach a new audience and gain exposure. 1. Respond to comments and engage with your viewers. 1. Show footage of someone reading and responding to comments on a YouTube video. 2. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and asking for feedback. 2. This helps to build a community around your channel. Closing shot of the person sitting in front of the computer with a satisfied smile on their face. By following these tips, you can increase your YouTube viewers and grow your audience. Keep creating great content and engaging with your viewers, and you'll be well on your way to success on YouTube. End with a logo of YouTube. It's worth noting that growing your audience on YouTube takes time and effort, and it's important to have patience and consistency in creating and promoting your content. And also don't forget to abide by the community guidelines of YouTube.